Hey Rush fam, welcome back to another community drive. So we're right here on Salisbury Avenue, right outside of Barbican, outside of Ligani, and we're having a construction over this side. So lots of apartments in these areas and townhouses. So one is going up over here. Show you guys a quick glimpse. Alright, so that was a quick glimpse of an apartment going up. So this road connects back to Dewsbury Avenue and also Paddington Terrace. So very upscale communities. Few single family dwelling homes, but majority of the lots are either townhouses, apartments, multi-dwelling complexes as well. So we're taking a drive on Salisbury Avenue, then we'll go on to Dewsbury Avenue, and then basically back onto Barbican Road. So stay tuned, enjoy the drive. Thanks for clicking on this video, another community drive. Remember to like, remember to comment, and remember to share as well. So stay tuned, guys. So straight ahead is Paddington Terrace. Recently did a video on that road, and this is now Dewsbury Avenue. So we're going up Dewsbury Avenue. So drive along with me and let's look at the houses together. Alright, so we're going straight out until we reach back onto Barbican Road. And there's a recently finished townhouse complex designed by Virtuoso that I want to show you guys. So this is another apartment complex as well. This is Matteo's Place, 22 Dewsbury Avenue. Yeah, so there's a final townhouse complex I'm going to show you guys that's recently finished. It's very unique in design. So you guys stay tuned for that. Alright, so we just went over Ligani Avenue that leads back into Ligani. We're back onto Barbican Road. See some renovation happening in front of us. I guess they're designing it so that it can be rented out to multiple people, changing the design. So we're back on Barbican Road. Alright, so Millsboro Avenue was to the right. So we're going down Barbican Road. And as I mentioned, there is a recently finished townhouse complex that I just want to highlight to you guys. So I'm gonna go back on Salisbury Avenue just to show you guys, so you guys can let me know what you think about it in terms of color and design. So we're heading back onto Salisbury. This is where we started. It's not too far down. And a lot of these apartments and townhouses are very, very new. And again, guys, leave your comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're more for apartments, you're more for a townhouse, you're more for, you know, a single family dwelling space. If you prefer outside of Kingston, let me know what you think in the comments. So this is the place on the right. So get ready to take a look, guys. I'm gonna turn right into it so you guys get to see everything. So I think they're finishing up. I don't think there is any tenant there as yet. So you guys can let me know what you think about the design. And if you guys are seeing it clearly. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. So I guess the design of the gate is preventing us a little. But let me know what you think, guys. So it's a townhouse development. Alright, so it caught my eyes when I passed and I just wanted to show you guys. So let me know what you think. Let me show you guys a view from the side window. Alright, so this is a little shot from the side window. Alright, guys. Alright, so let's head back onto Barbican Road. And this Salisbury is on the right, 4-6 Salisbury Avenue. And again, if you live in this area or used to live in this area or have a friend or family that lives in this area, Sweetberry apartment on the left, Salisbury Grand on the left. So if this is your place, let me know in the comment section. So we're now heading down into Barbican Town Center. And we're back on Barbican Road. We have Barbican Mews on the right. So we're back in Barbican Square. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Thanks for clicking on the video. Remember to like, remember to comment, and remember to share.